Alright guys, Georgia Jim, got another challenge lock here. This one's Dirty Old Man by Dark Arts Lock Picking. You can see the bitting on the key. It's a Lockwood cylinder. Super smooth, so. Alright, see if we can get into this thing. You can see a lot of play right off the rip. Be tensioning counterclockwise. Alright. 2, 3 is binding. Alright. 4 is binding. Feels good now. Alright. 2, 3. 4 is giving counter rotation. Trying to get, alright, there's 5. Anything else on it? 4, 3, 2. That was 4. 5 is trying to come up. Come on. And there we go. All right. Let's see what they got in this thing. All right, it's a C-clip. Looks more like a snap ring, honestly, but let's see. Let me lock it back up. All right. There we go. Come on. Jesus. All right. Definitely need a shim since the shim doesn't want to go in. All right, let's see, is that going to be the right size? Yeah, it feels pretty good. All right. Two. That's 3, 4, 5. What did I do with my tweezers? I just had them. We got a standard on 1. Little gin spool. Let me turn that back around. On 2. little serrated T-pin. Pin and pin. I can get that to come apart. Wait, no, that's not pin and pin. I thought it was. And another serrated T-pin. All right, let me give you all a close-up of these. And there you go. And that's a Dirty Old Man by Dark Arts Lockpicking. All right, guys, thanks for watching.